Starting off, the first camera in this list is the Fitspark DC 101 Wi-Fi Duo variant. So this is the most value for money dual channel dashcam out there, because there is no other dashcam in that price range that offers the features the Fitspark DC 101 does. Starting off with the fact that this gives you a 2.7-inch IPS display, gets a dual channel setup, gets a Novatech AI chipset, gives you a 4 megapixel base 2K resolution, along with a chance to get a free hardware kit if you do send the invoice to the Fitspark service email ID. So many features coming down to the price of close to 5,000. I mean, I wouldn't wait to get this camera right now if I had a budget of 5 to 6,000 rupees and I wanted a dual channel dashcam. That being said, Fitspark also has a slightly more premium model called as the Pro ADAS variant, coming at a price of about 6 to 7,000 rupees in this Amazon sale. And what this gives you is GPS along with the most accurate ADAS ever seen on a dashcam. I've personally tried and tested out this dashcam, and the ADAS within this 4 specific ADAS features work flawlessly well, 99% of the time pretty much accurate. And getting such high level features, high level ADAS features around the price bracket of 7,000, a definite must buy. Go ahead and grab the Pro ADAS model or the Wi-Fi Duo model if you have a budget of about 5 to 6,000 or 7,000 for the Pro ADAS variant. Moving on to the second dashcam in this list, I'm talking about the QUBO Dashcam Pro 2.7K. Now, I recently reviewed this camera on my channel and I'm quite happy with kind of the form factor, the design and the performance of this dash camera. Coming in at a price of about 7 to 8,000 rupees, this camera offers you a 2-inch LCD display, gives you a Quad HD Plus resolution, gives you a dual channel setup along with GPS. And the most amazing factor is that this camera can support SD cards up to 1 TB. Also do note that if you do purchase using my affiliate link from the dashcaminsider.in website, you will get a free 128 GB memory card with the dash camera. Why waste such a good chance? But nevertheless, if you still want to buy it from Amazon, the Amazon link will also be provided in the description below. Moving on to the third dashcam in this list, I'm talking about the 70mm A500S. So this dashcam was one of the pioneers in bringing the Starvis IMX335 sensor to the under 10,000 budget range. And this camera offers you a 1944p resolution, gets you GPS, gets you ADAS, along with a 2-inch LCD screen. Now this might be priced slightly higher than the 10,000 price bracket, but in the sale it might just come down. So if you are someone who is looking for a brand backing of 70mm, the reliability of the A500 series, the A500, either the front only or the dual channel variant coming around the price bracket of 10,000 rupees would definitely be an awesome choice. But do note that I'm not mentioning the A510 since it's a Starvis 2 model, and this video is not about Starvis 2 dashcams, rather non-Starvis 2 dashcams. But if you are interested in checking out some Starvis 2 based cameras, you have my other video which I just posted a bit earlier. Moving on to the next camera, I'm talking about the Nexdigitron Prime Plus dual channel variant. So this camera is the cheapest one to give you the previous gen Starvis IMX415 sensor with a native 4K resolution and an 8 megapixel sensor. This camera gives you GPS, gives you a 3.2-inch LCD display, and also gets a super capacitor with a memory card slot storage of up to 256 GB. Nexdigitron has implemented a very unique modular design with this camera, and you probably can even upgrade it to a triple channel variant by purchasing the cabin camera separately later on. Coming in at a price of about 11 to 12,000 rupees, the Nexdigitron Prime Plus, providing you 4K native 4K resolution, is a definite must buy to those who are looking for the highest possible resolution within that price range. Talking about 4K, there is one more camera which was very recently launched. I'm quite happy with its performance. I'm talking about the Redtiger A6 triple channel dashcam. So this dashcam comes at a price of around 12,000 rupees, gives you a 4K front and a Full HD rear, or gives you a 2.5K front with a Full HD for the interior and the Full HD for the rear camera. So this is a triple channel setup in that 12,000 price segment, along with the fact that this gives you a 3-inch LCD screen, gives you voice control, gets a free 64 GB card inside the box, gets a rotatable mount, which means you can record the driver side window or the passenger side window simultaneously, also gets 5 GHz Wi-Fi and gets a super capacitor. But do note that if you do purchase this camera using my affiliate link directly from the Redtiger website, you can even get a free hardware kit along with some additional extra discounts. That being said, if you prefer to buy it from Amazon, I'll provide you the Amazon link for this camera as well. So these were the top 5 budget dual channel dash cams without Starvis 2 sensor that are currently available in India. So no matter which of these dash cams you're interested to buy, the purchase links are provided right down below in the description. Go ahead and grab them right now within this Prime Day sale, and do not waste this opportunity to save yourself a lot of money. If you do have any queries or doubts regarding any of these cameras, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in saving yourself a lot of money, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking for some budget dual channel dash cams. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.